Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. This is Let Me See Your Transcript, your very favorite history teacher. And I'm up this morning, even though it is not no school today, uh, but my brain is still on teacher school schedule. So I actually had planned another video for this morning, but I had to just some told me to go double check on this state of Texas versus Marshall Daniels case, regarding Marshall Daniels, as we know, is young, better known as Young Pharaoh. And let me tell you, Max V Word Media, you were so correct. You kept saying he was not out of jail last night, even though there was a bond that he could pay and leave, but he was still in jail. And I even checked that usually there's an out date, and his end date was still there, but his out date was not. And so this morning, I go onto the website, and whew, there was 3 charges of terroristic threat. Now there are 3 charges of criminal mischief and assault of a family member. So we are going to get into it this morning. So grab your coffee, grab your breakfast, just get together, okay? All right. So before we get started, let me just go ahead and put this up here. This video is protected by Section 107 of the U.S. Copyright Act of 1976, which allows for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. So let's go ahead and get started with Mr. Marshall Daniels. Good morning, the Sexy Toy Lady. Hey, Nikki Proctor Walden. And let me share my screen. Well, let me take this off. Hey, everybody. Yes, I got my wrap on and a lipstick and my eyeglass. Okay. All right. So let's go to share screen. I haven't done this in a while, so I had to get this together. So this is the Harris County website. Can y'all see my screen very well? Let me make it bigger for y'all. Okay. So let's put in his last name. This is a public website. Okay. And here is, as it says right here, do y'all see right there where it says 7 charges? And it says accurate information as of 11/24/2021 at 8:27 p.m. That is Central Standard Time. Central Standard Time, y'all. Here he is. It's Marshall Johnny Daniels. His SPN number. Oh my goodness, look at this. Terroristic threat on here 3 times. 3 times, look at this. Okay, this is 2 terroristic threat, and then this is terroristic threat of a family household member. Oh goodness. Booking date. Remember, he got booked on the 22nd for this one, right? He got booked on the 22nd for this one, right? Then this was for the second one. Hold on. While he was in there, he got booked for this one, right? All right. Then I guess he got booked for the second one the same day, right? 24th. Then well, hell, the day the 24th. Let me see. Hold on. 22nd he got booked. Court date the 24th. So he got to go to court this morning, huh? If he already been there. Then he got another booking date the 24th. This court date is the 30th. So for the second terroristic threats, he has to go to court again on the 30th. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terroristic threats. They probably found some more information on them. See, the first bond amount was 500. The second one was 1,000. This was 1,000. So, I mean, he's going to pay 1,000, 10% of that. And then here, terroristic threats, unsecured GLB eligible. I don't know what that means. That was $100. But here, assault of a family member. That wasn't there yesterday. Criminal mischief was not there yesterday. And he got a terroristic threat. So you got 7 charges, sir. 7. You out here being on the internet and everything like that. Saying what you gonna do. You gonna do the clap. But here, y'all, I'm just letting you right here. 7. He had 3 charges of terroristic threat yesterday. And this information is accurate as of 11/24/2021. $827. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I told you to go lay down. I gotta tell my family I'm live. Ooh, hey, Black Anonymous. Hey, SBNG TV. Hey, Beautiful Bernice, Nikki Proctor Walden, that sexy toy lady. Y'all, I've put 3 videos already of this. The first one was Monday, I think, just him getting arrested. Yesterday, I gave an update on his charges because he has 3 terroristic threat, not 1. Then I did a live just commenting on it. I get up this morning, the man got 7. Got 7. Hey, Shakira. Hey, Mad Church Disease. Black Anonymous. And me, actually, and I really shout out to E and J because they really got great insight on this. I agree most of what they said about the situation. I know KKC's mentioned it. Shout out to Triple C's Treehouse. Lennon Honor has been doing it, and his members only. And I think at this time, and Max V, shout out to Max V, World Media, he said it last night. He's like, something's wrong with him. He's in the middle of a mental breakdown or something. Like, you are literally, and I said this last night on my live, you are on the internet telling people what you are going to do to this woman. Not only her, but the other people, because she's only one of the terroristic threats. He got 2 other people he did a terroristic threat to. And you are doing this in Texas. Sir, what is wrong with you? You think because you out there in Katy in the suburbs? Listen here. I tell my son all the time. When you get arrested, okay? Can you get arrested? You're charged by the county. You're put in a county jail most of the time. Police may arrest you. Constables can arrest you too. Now here in Harris County, the county and the police work together. Yeah, you'll be like, oh, they down there at the city jail? It's really the county jail. You go before a Harris County judge. He lives in the part of Katy, actually has a suburb, but it has three counties cover it. He obviously is in the Harris County part. And look where he at. You lost your case against Google, got dumped, got dismissed, right? your first channel went away. You had over 100,000 subscribers. Because now you want to be MAGA and you want to be, I don't know what the heck you want to be. You want to hang up with white people now. I don't know. You pro, I don't know what you're doing. Okay. Probably was saying some stuff about COVID. They don't like that. Or the election 2020. Probably got that too. All right. Plus, you try to sue them. So they watching you. Okay. Then your second channel got snatched. Now you're on your third channel, ATM banking. Then you're over there on Instagram saying what you're going to do. You're calling on the phone. You're saying vulgar stuff. You're smearing her whole name. You thought she wasn't going to respond, which in some cases I kind of thought she shouldn't respond. Actually, both of y'all was on the news and stuff, on the internet, it just watching us all. You even went to the lawyer's office talking to them crazy? Right, supervised visitation. That's if he doesn't go to jail. My dog is trying to get my attention. Boy, you know I'm online. Sorry, my dog wants my attention. I'm not usually here during this time. Usually you're in the bed. He always does when I'm live. Right? This is what he's doing. Like, sir, what did you expect? You thought I think he really thought like, hey, I'm making this money. I'm a millionaire, whatever that means. You giving advice. I don't know why you're giving advice. You and Polite needs to stop. You already had a gun charge probation from New York. You think the state of Texas wasn't gonna look that up? They put that on the information. Can one of the mods please put my last 2 videos in the chat, or my last 3 videos about Polite in the chat, please? I appreciate that. Right? Just why? Sir, what you thought I'm different. I'm young Pharaoh. Baby, the text said you're Marshall Daniels. You out here tripping. And guess what? Now she can just, because the other B was already compiling videos. People help her. She asked. Your first thought was when you jumped on your first baby mama and she decided she wasn't gonna come down here. So all your kids could be together. That should have been a clue, like, hey, maybe I need to but no, you turned around and said it was her fault. Her fault. Number one, the last 2 elections, 19 African American women ran for judge. I believe, I'm going to look on here in a minute, his judge is a woman, most likely a Black woman. He better not go in there and think he going to talk to her any kind of way. Because he already made some comments about Black women. Someone in the prosecution room got an intern looking at his videos now. They got you they're looking at your videos, Marsha, Johnny, Jeannie, Janae. I don't know. Somebody call his mama, ask him how you say his middle name. Thank you, Nikki. You know which video this is? This the first one, right? Yeah, disrespecting them. He better not go in that courtroom trying to do that to that judge. Oh no. Man, part of me wish I could go Tuesday. It's at 9:00. You are, as a citizen and resident of the county in the city, the county of Harris County, city of Houston, are able to go into courtrooms. I think you can, right? Courtrooms during the trials. I wonder if it's on Zoom. Because they just started having like face-to-face, But you out here? No, sir. You need to stop. This is my first video. I think it's about a little bit less than 2 minutes. This is 9 minutes, about 10 minutes, and go through the first 3 charges from yesterday. So this morning we're gonna go through the rest. And this is my commentary. But yeah, Max V, you was right. You were like, he gonna get some more. Because he said way more online. You literally said online, oh, she won't let me see my kids this time because I clapped back at the house. Sir, this is why I tell my students. I teach history and I also teach government. And I tell my students, especially my government students, I say, if you don't remember nothing else in this class, remember this. The Fifth Amendment, right? Freedom, right not to self-incriminate yourself. Plead the fifth. Be quiet. Stop snitching on yourself. Dude, you don't remember nothing else. Fifth Amendment. Stop snitching on yourself. You all on the internet talking and thinking nobody gonna. Okay, YouTube guidelines, Instagram, letting you have your free speech, but when your free speech incites or causes or shows that you are going to do something violent, okay, sir, no, no, you are not above the law. If Richard Nixon, former president of the United States, Supreme Court told him the same thing. You are not above the law because you are president. So guess what? You ain't above the law because your name is young Pharaoh, aka Marshall Names. Wait, he's been making a joke of the whole thing. He's gonna post a jail calling him laughing. She has less sense than him. How y'all know she's a stripper? Who's saying it's fake? I think initially, because the way they both were acting, we thought it was fake. Like, oh, they doing this for a show. Somebody in jail. I'm sorry. When I saw, I think when she went to drop off the kids and then she went live, her face was all swollen. I was like, this 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 is real. This is real. Maybe she wasn't taking it as seriously then, but sometimes when you're in domestic situations, it's those on the outside is a lot easier said than done. Hold on, y'all. Y'all come on in the room. Please, please share this so that other people know. Okay. Please like, share, subscribe because I'm gonna make sure that I do as many updates on this as I can. Um, she's a prostitute or a stripper, allegedly. Let's say allegedly. Okay, so let me put this up here again because now we're gonna go to. I just showed you the charges. He's in jail. But again, we're gonna go to the website and we're gonna look at some things a little bit more in depth. Okay. Did he say she was a stripper? Did she say she was a stripper? Because on the paperwork, he listed her as nearest relative. So which one is it? Okay, I'm just saying. What you doing? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You out there trying to be cute. Mm-hmm. Hold on, y'all. I'm over here. All right, so this is what I go. This is Marilyn Berger. She is the Harris County District Clerk. And so her website, and we're gonna click on criminal. We're gonna click on today's filings. Okay. All right. So we keep going down. We keep going down. Keep going down. Man, it's a lot of people. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Difficulties. Shoot. Apologies, y'all, for the interruptions. Okay, let's go back. Um, oh, hold on, hold on. I see. State of Texas versus Marshall Daniels. State of Texas versus Marshall Daniels. State of Texas versus Marshall Daniels, y'all. Y'all see this, huh? Wasn't kidding. Look at it. 3. Okay. So I believe this is the one from last night that I did a video on. Can y'all see it? Or do I need to open another window? Oh, y'all can't see that. So I'm going to have to stop sharing. Okay, I'm going to have to share. It's a pop-up window. Oh, no problem. It was me. I was let's see the tab. Okay. Okay. So this is the first one for terroristic threat. I believe this is the one I showed last night. Okay. All right. Yeah, this is the one I showed last night. Oh, Lord. Okay. Oh, dang, he got another complaint in. Oh, my goodness. Lord. Okay, let's see. Okay. This must be the first one. Okay. So let's look down here. Okay. This one says Tanita Road, complaint to 1123. I guess they put it on 1123. Constable Precinct 7, offense number. Reviewed by James Caldwell Gordon. Bond is set. Complaint filed. Terroristic threat 23. Okay. Offense in the order. Granted bail, $100. Threat level. This is another offense. Okay. Pretrial courtesy. Motions were filed. Ooh, probable cause found. Oh, Marsha, Jeannie, Daniels. You going to jail. You're going to jail. You in jail. Probable cause found. This one, the bond was $100. Personal bond pretrial. Okay. So his first victim, y'all need to write this down. So the first victim is Tanita Rowe. That might not be her real name, but let me see. Witness? No, witness work is fine. It probably was a person. Oh, look at his criminal. Damn, dude. Give me Jesus. This is all his stuff, but we just looking at one of them. So let's go back to the summary. Okay, let's go back to the summary. Let's go back to the activities on just this case now. Ooh, Tanita Rowe. All right, everybody got that down? Tanita Rowe is the first person. Damn. Sir. Hey, Mrs. V.S. Cynthiana. Craig Beach, be quiet. You can let them out if you want to. Whew, Lord. Tanita Rowe, first person. So let's go to the next one. That was the first one, Tanita Rowe. All right, that was terroristic threat. So let's go to this criminal mischief. Okay, let's go to the criminal mischief. Because you all here want to be criminal and mischieving and stuff. Like you ain't got no damn sense. You making the 20-some millennials look bad. You are. Okay. This is the criminal mischief one, y'all. Can y'all see the whole screen? I want to put it on the whole screen. Okay, so this is criminal mischief. Bond made. This is $100 unsecured bond. Next date is next Tuesday, the 30th. Judge name, Erica Hughes. You better not go in there with Judge Hughes doing all this crazy stuff you doing now. You better not do it. Let's go to activities. Okay, 1123 motions filed. Okay. Oh, complainant Christopher Perkins. Oh, let's write that name down. You out here talking about you gonna shoot somebody. You just out here being an equal opportunity thug, huh? It ain't just women, it's men too. Sheriff's Department offense number, shelter, unsecured bond, criminal mischief, general conditions of release. Oh, look at you all out here. All willy-nilly and everything. Just doing everything. Just doing the damn thing, huh? Marshall. Johnny. Jeannie. Daniels. Young Pharaoh. This is what we doing? Out here in Texas? No. No. Let me stop stream. All right. If you register on the this website, and then you can get access to this information too. But if you don't want to go through that, keep watching with me. I'm gonna keep you updated. Where's my pen and pencil? I need to write this down. So we got what? Tanita Rowe and Christopher. What's Christopher's name? Last name? Christopher Perkins. This is what you're doing. This is criminal mischief. What is criminal mischief, by the way? Hold on. Let me go back here. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. It says, oh, let me show y'all this. Let me show y'all this. Let's go back to this. Let's go back to this. Tab. Okay. I think this is a terroristic threat. Okay. I didn't want the terroristic threat. I wanted the other one. But it'll probably say the same thing. This says where he is right now. Y'all see right here where it says in custody? In custody, right? Where does it say? Why? That means yes, he's in custody. Locate. Let's locate. That's fine. Where you located at? Locate. Why? Yes. Now let's click the screen to find out where you are. Okay, so I'm gonna go share that. You are here. Talking to people all willy-nilly. So we went back to that first screen we was on, right? So it says jail. PROCOOO. Click on it. You downtown. You downtown, sir. Heck, dang. And then Houston, Texas, gave you a damn map. And the damn cross streets. I'm sick of them too, Black Anonymous. I'm sick of them too. And thinking you balling. You ain't balling like these goddamn pimp preacher mega pastors. They got the dough. I guess you didn't have the vocabulary, you didn't have the fortitude, you didn't have the time. Hey, Conversation Rules the Nation. Glad to see you here. Hey, SBNG TV, Shakir Emmett. Can you see that? They gave you a map. He downtown, y'all. Oh, yes, downtown. Downtown Houston. On Commerce Street. Right across, and where that is right next to the Criminal Justice Building. Oh, Lord. But no, see, I told you to go lay down. several times the last few months. And guess what? The state of Texas told you, guess what? Go lay the hell down. You lay down now, don't you? You ain't in there talking about the black woman is God. Oh, you said that before. Now you talking about the black woman ain't shit and stuff. Oh, he's in jail right now. Let me go back. Let me show you. Stop screen. Hold on. Where's the thingy at? Let me go to back. I'm gonna go back to his summaries for the first one and the second one. They both are gonna say the same thing. Let me see. This is the summary page. The first one, the other one was terroristic threat. That was his first charge. This or 3 charges for that. Then this one is criminal mischief. And right here it says in custody. Why? We all learned in school the abbreviation for yes is why. Okay, I'm a teacher. Trust me on this. And when I click on locate, it brings me back to the online public district and county criminal records inquiry. And this is where you can find out if a person is in jail. So it took me back to that website to where if he's in jail, it took me back here. It has his name. And then when right here, it says jail. Do y'all see that? Jail. Do y'all see that? I think he's been having a psychotic episode this whole time. And that's why the first time they did a wellness check on him. Someone sent to him to have a wellness check. But, he probably a good finesser. And they couldn't say, and he didn't want to go with them. And he like in Texas and other places, you have a right to refuse to get help. If they deem that you are a sound mind at the time, you know your name, you know where you are, you know who the president is, you know your surrounding, they ain't got you, they don't take you. I think he's not been right since before the shrooms. I think he started unraveling after them channels started getting taken away. Okay, so look right here. Look right here. It says where he is, booking date 11/22. Do you see it says update, outdate. Do you see an outdate for him? No. You click on the jail. I don't know why. I guess clicked on the numbers to the jail. And it pulls up this map. This is where he at. This is where he's at. This where you at, Marshall? Someone had come into, I think, Max's chat last night. They were like, oh, they're saying he's out. I went back to the website last night. I was like, I don't see nothing that say he out. It say he's still downtown. This is not 9:03 a.m. Central Standard Time. He's still in there. The website said yes. Yes. Death Stare, you say you hope he gets out and something together. I think he might need to stay there down there a little while. He needs to lay down. And he better not go in that courtroom talking to that Judge Erica Hughes, all crazy. And talking about maybe the website isn't updated. What website isn't updated? Death Stare, I just showed earlier. They said this is updated as of do you see what I highlighted there? Yes, this is the court website. I'm sorry you weren't here earlier. When I first got on, this information was as accurate as when I went on live about 30, 40 minutes ago. And if you see right here where I highlighted, okay, it says information accurate as of 11/24/2021, 9:05 a.m. That is my time period. So unless something else happens within the next hour or so, and I refresh the page and they have inputted the information in there, his ass is in there. Oh yeah, his hearing. He got a hearing today. Yeah, he got one hearing for the You might have to go back. Yeah, thank you for reminding me, SBNG TV. Yeah, one of the terroristic threats, he got a hearing this morning for that because the day is 24. But he got for them other ones, it's Tuesday. Oh damn, I could have been downtown. Oh, I thought they all was downtown. I thought they all was gonna be next week. Sorry if I'm a little animated, y'all. I'm sorry. Let me calm down. And plus I'm having coffee too. So, but yeah, I really would like for them to give him a little psychological evaluation while he's down there. Let him talk to a counselor. Maybe he needs to transfer to HCPC. That's the Harris County Psychiatric Center. They building a whole new building. They can house him down there. Give him a little test. You know, because he needs to lay down. He's doing too much. You went from basically what happened to Polite is happening to you. You went from one charge to 7 to 5. One charge to 7. That was Polite. 1 to 7 or 1 to 5. And here's young Pharaoh go from 1 to 3 to 7. Sir, come on now. He needs some help. But he probably don't think, boy, I'm on live. Yes, yeah. Oh, thank you for reminding me, Death Stare, because I gotta go to the third thing he's in there for. Because he has a total of 7 charges. Okay, y'all missed this. So those of y'all who just came in, I am updating on you on what is happening to Marshall Jeannie Daniel or Johnny. Is it French? Johnny? You know, he has 7 charges found. Here you have terroristic threat. I think that's the one he has the court date for today. Yeah, I think so. This one right here for today. Then the second case, terroristic threat, that's next week. $10,000. And this one, terroristic threat of a family household member, that makes 3. Another one, 4. Okay, they all gonna be next week. Assault of family member, 5. Criminal mischief, 6. And another terroristic threat, 7. 7 charges. 7. All 7, and we'll watch them fall. I miss Prince. Smoke them all. And the intellect. Is that what I feel? When I wanna know you will never come back. I am yours now and you are mine, and you give the real of the world, space and time. So try someday all 7 will die. Yeah. 7 charges, 7 deadly sins. Look here. Look at this. Okay, so you got booked the 22nd. That was Monday. Your court date is today. Then I guess today you got booked for I guess they found out about the other ones, right? Probably as uh Tanita Rowe, Christopher Perkins, and then Golden Beauty gave them the rest of the stuff. They're like, oh wait, let's look him up. He got extra stuff in here. I don't like black men being in jail, but he need to stay down there for a while. Yes, he got 7. Monday it was 1. Monday it was 1. Yesterday it was 3. 3 charges of criminal of 3 charges of terroristic threat. It's not look 9:10 a.m. Central Standard Time, 10:10 Eastern Time. He got 7. Man, if I was your mama, and I could be down here because his mama I think is in Buffalo, New York. Come down here with a switch, and they just open up your cell. I will whoop your ass. You want to come down here, and then he gonna try to like, oh, he wanted to move, and he said Golden Beauty picked Texas. But since you got here, you've been on and popping for you, doing all kind of crazy stuff. Hey, the Josephine sector. Yes, Dexter. Like, just go lay down. We all out here been saying, dude, you're doing too much. Dude, you're doing wrong. Anybody kept saying, oh, excuse me, where my tissue at? Hold on. Oh, she needs to press charges. She pressed charges. Well, guess what? She pressed charges. And she ain't the only one. And look where you at. Please hit the like button. Please share this with somebody. And I'm gonna ask King again. I want him. I would like for him and Corey Slater, Fatherhood Mafia, shout out them to talk about this as fathers, because unfortunately there are young men looking at young Pharaoh and they're siding with him, and they're gonna be doing this crap to their own families out here, and that is not what real fathers are supposed to do. And I'm sorry, maybe because I am when I see young Pharaoh, sometimes I see my own relationship with my own father. And I keep seeing them little girls like they love their dad, but their dad is doing some crazy stuff. And when I heard him cussing out Golden Beauty as his daughter was saying, Daddy, I love you. Daddy, come see me. Come see you, Dad. And then he stops in the middle and says, yeah, I love you. I'm going to come get you. Then he going to curse her out at the same time. I'm just like, curse Golden Beauty at the same time. I'm like, that might have scarred that little girl. That might have scarred her. Hey, Vespa Martini. Hey to everyone in the chat. Hey, Love Posse. This is, hey, everybody in here. Thank y'all so much for being here this morning. Hit the like button. It's 30 y'all in the chat. Let me have 30 likes. I appreciate it. Appreciate y'all being up here with me early this morning, because I just, some told me like, let me go check to see on this website. I'm like, 7 charges? I'm sorry. Polite and young Pharaoh both getting charged. Why the hell Yomar Johnson ain't in jail? Lord. Maybe that's all why he always on tour. He never in one spot long enough. I don't know. They both, well, Polite be going around flying and stuff like that. And he got a little famous friend. So, but seriously, like, come on now. Okay, let me stop talking. Let me go to the third, because he got 7 charges. Most of them are for terroristic threat. I want to say 5, yeah, 5 terroristic threat. Another one for criminal mischief. That's against Christopher Perkins. And then this last one, I think it's this one. This one's probably Golden Beauty. But remember, Tanita Rowe, one of the people, Christopher Perkins, and I think Shira Jackson is Golden Beauty. I think he said her name online before. See, yeah, here telling people business, doing all this extra stuff. Jesus be a fence all around me every day. Hold on. Let me cancel this. Let me go and make sure I have. Okay, because I still got the other 2 tabs open. 1, 2, 3. Hold on, what's the third one? Yeah. Here it is. Assault family member. Oh my Lord Jesus. Fix him, Jesus. Help him, Mama Oye. I just, and I got students that's around their ages, and I'm just like, are they gonna be acting like this? Okay, y'all. All right, this is remember the other one was the first one I showed you, the summary was for terroristic threat. Then the second was for criminal mischief, and then this one is for assault of a family member. So so what is happening is he has 5 complaints, 5 I guess you say 5 counts, 5 counts of terroristic threat, 1 count of criminal mischief, and 1 count of assault of a family member, for a total of 7. Right now, we're counting the victims as we see their names in the complainants. Okay. Can you delete that? Let's not use her real name if that's not her. Because it says Tanita Rowe. Okay. Let's not use her. Okay. All right. I got 31 watching and 14 in the channel. Thanks. Oh shit. Let me get that out of town. I'm sorry. Yeah. Thanks. I'm about to go into my editing. Do that. Yeah. All right. So yeah. So this one is assault of family members. So let's look at this one. All right. Make that bigger. All right. So it says misdemeanor information, bar made, next setting, 11/30/2021. Custody, yes. Let's look at activities, y'all. Okay. All right. So let me see. Oh, I think we got some of the same things up here. Wait, am I on the right one? Summary? Yeah. Assault with family member. Okay. Activities. Oh, let me go all the way down. Okay. All right. Motions. Complainant, Christopher Perkins. That's the other one. Okay. Assault of a family member. Right here. Okay. It says order, emergency protective order granted. It was granted. It was granted. Probable cause found. I think PC is probable cause. Status. Okay. Personal bond trial, $100. CRT time, personal time expired. Oh, it expired the day. Okay, not acknowledged by sheriff. Okay, so they found some probable cause to keep him in there. So let's look at uh, where's the part at? Let me see. Parties involved is him. Um, Bookings, 22nd. Bonds, appeals, summary, restitution, copy fees, settings. Okay, arraignments. Mm-hmm. Oh, today is a probable cause hearing. Data unavailable. Well, it'll probably update it. Okay, bond docket time 9 a.m. Jail docket time 9:30 a.m. Time subject to be changed. Okay, Zalius. Payment plan. Images. Oh, okay. Let's go. Let's go. We got some stuff we can look at. All right. Oh, restricted. Restricted means we can't see it. It's 7 pages. State's motion for magistrate's order for emergency protection, probably against Golden. But I didn't see her name. I did see Christopher Perkins. Okay. Motion for sufficient bail, motion for bond conditions, charging instrument, personal PCR bond, first emergency, other probable cause for further detention. Okay, I don't remember seeing this one last night. Hold on. Let me put this in order by date. Oh, man. Let me go. Reload. Here you go. Okay. All right. I guess they won't let me do. Okay. So let me go. No problem, SBNG TV. Okay. So right here I see probable cause for further detention. I don't remember this one last night, so I'm gonna click on it. Dang it. Okay. I'm gonna have to do. Can y'all see it? It says I'm still sharing, but this thing might be on a delay. Is it on a delay? Let me stop sharing. And then let me. It's weird. It's like when you pop up on a document, it won't go to that document. It'll just go. Okay. View file. Okay. So this is the probable cause. Let me see, make this bigger. Can y'all see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay, I'm gonna minimize myself some more so y'all can see the whole page. Oh, you can see it. Okay. Pick the page. I don't want. Yeah, this is what I wanted. Okay. All right. So this is okay. Defendants accused. This is probable cause determination. Oh, look at this. Represented by a public defender. Wait, I don't see no thing. Don't tell me he represent himself. Oh, off docket presentation. On this date and time, the defendant was not present due to off docket presentation. Okay, so this is for assault of a family member. So that's what we're looking at. Court finds probable cause for further detention exists. The court reviewed and or set defendant's bond as indicated in the bail order below. The court orders defendant committed to the custody of the sheriff of Harris County, Texas until defendant posts the required bond or until further order of the court. Boop. So let's look down here, y'all. Let's look down here. Oh. Defendant is ordered released on a personal bond amount of $100 until defendant posts a required bond or until further order of the court. So that was at 4:13 this morning. So he's still in there though. But they said they had hey Max V, Borough Media. I was just telling everybody you about an hour ago, you was right. He got 7 charges. 7. Yesterday he had 3. Monday he had 1. To this morning he got 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So let's see if we can go look at one of the other documents. Oh Lord. Let me see. It's another one. Probable cause. Misdemeanor information. Commitment issue. What does that mean? Oh, this is for the family member. Oh, that looks like the same one. Okay, they must have just did this one like right now. This is a Class A misdemeanor. Okay, these all look like the same one. When I'm okay, here's let me let y'all see this part. This is them okay. So this is about the assault of a family member. Let me show y'all this. This is called, oh Lord, this a misdemeanors and you got all this damn paperwork. Shoot. Okay. All right. So y'all see this? I'm gonna make it bigger for y'all. Okay. Y'all can see it? Okay. So this one is called, let me see. Which one was this that I got? This one was called the charging instrument for charging instrument information. So this is like, I guess, the reasons that the complainant is saying, hey, I need y'all to go pick him up. So it says here, this is remember, we're still talking about the third. Well, actually, I guess this will be the 7th charge. This is one he has to go to court for next week. It says, in the name and by authority of the United States, comes now the undersigned Assistant District Attorney of Harris County on behalf of the state of Texas, presents into the Harris County Criminal Court at Law Number 3 of Harris County, Texas, that in Harris County, Texas, Marshall Daniels, herefore styled the defendant before, on, or about November 2nd, did then and there unlawfully, intentionally, and knowingly cause bodily injury to Tania Davis, hereby style the complainant and member of the defendant's family by striking the complainant with the defendant's hand. Okay, you were right. I'm sorry. I apologize. SBNG TV. Is that, wait, is, okay. Okay. I thought she was the role lady, but that other one was spelled differently. Yeah, Texas don't play games. Y'all do this stuff down here. Part of me though, I hope that family. I don't want it to be Golden Beauty, but part of me is like, I hope that's not one of the kids. You know what I'm saying? Like, that ain't his child, right? Oh Lord, this dude, go sit, go lay down, go lay down. He's for the lay down. Okay, so let's look at the other charging instrument, the actual complaint. Oh, well, that one says the same thing. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. And see, that's probably why, which we can't see, there's an order for protection. Oh Lord. Mm, 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 mm. So, mm, 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 mm. And that says criminal assault of a family member. Mm-hmm. Mm, mm, mm. They don't. You're right. It's gonna be 8 and 9. Let me look up what if the felony, because the other ones say that they're misdemeanor, criminal assault of a family member. Texas. Okay. Okay. Who has? I'm just looking for a defamation. Mm. I'm not advocating for this company, but they have a definition, and hopefully, um, Empowered Esquire TV has a much better definition, of this. All right. In Texas, misdemeanor assault are common. Okay. What is a misdemeanor assault in Texas? Assault bodily injury, assault bodily injury against a family member. Okay. According to Texas, hold on. Okay. All right. Um, okay. Domestic assault, which is also referred to as assault bodily injury of a family member, involves the assault of a present or former dating partner, someone in the accused household, or someone in the family. The person must have intentionally and knowingly injured someone, engaged in objectionable physical contact with someone, or placed someone in threat of impending injury for the behavior to constitute assault. The threshold for an assault in Texas is simply that the contact caused pain. The aggravated assault of an individual is alleged is currently dating person. Secondary. Oh, and an aggravated assault on its own would be a second degree family. Add the family member, household member enhancement on top, and you're certainly looking at a first degree felony and up to life in prison for a first time offense. Okay. Did this say aggravated? I don't think it said, but he said he hit her in the hand. So is I guess because there's no weapon, it was just a hand. Pillsbury, not now. Hey, Digital Locket. It says continue ongoing importance may be followed. The alleged defendant is believed to have engaged in 2 domestic assaults within 1 year. When was Camille here? And he, sir, you need to go sit down. Okay, so I think this was, we're gonna go back. I think this is the one he's domestic up to a year in jail and a $4,000 fine to charge me enhanced for a 3rd-degree felony if the offender is accused of strangulation, choking, or has been convicted of domestic assault in the past. Let me go back and let's look at this. Let's look at this. Let's see which one it was. It says criminal mischief, terroristic threat. Jesus, be a fence all around me every day. Please help Marshall. He got lost along the way. Yes, Lord. Yes, he has. Okay. All right. Oof, Lord. Pillsbury, but he should have been responsible also for his own actions. It ain't just ugh. Okay, y'all. Let's look at what they got. Okay, so here it says act of criminal assault of a family member, misdemeanor information. Okay, so it's a misdemeanor. Oh Lord, Lord, Lord. Yeah, it says assault family member level MA. MA? That's because he did it with it. It said in the thing complaint, he did it with his hand. And I guess aggravated would mean he who's oh Jesus. Be offense. Okay. Let me look at something, y'all. Okay. So I'm gonna go back and share this page again because some of you just came in here later. But I'm glad you're here. Praise the Lord. Okay. So this is from, you can look at it for yourself in case. And I always put the links in here because I want you to be able to say, oh, I just didn't go by, well, let me see your transcript said. I went to the link myself and I saw it myself. And I read what she read. And this is, yeah. So this link right here, it just helps you to check in Harris County that if the person is in jail. So he's in jail. He had a hearing this morning for one other terroristic threats that he's charged with. Okay. It seems that he has 5 terroristic threats, 5 counts of terrorist threat, 1 count of criminal mischief, and 1 count of assault of a family member. The other 6 he has a hearing for on next Tuesday. He has 1 this morning. So if you look at the screen, okay, look at the screen. It says 7 charges found Information accurate as of 11:24, 8:27. That is Central Standard Time. It may change the next hour or so. Where is he? He's in jail. He got booked on the 22nd. That was for the one that he has court for today. This is the first one. First charge. Second charge is also a terroristic threat. That's next week. Third charge, terroristic threat against a family household member. That's next week as well. Terroristic threat, next week as well. Assault of a family member. That's next week. Criminal mischief. That is also next week. And then the other terroristic threat. That's next week as well. So he's in hearing for the first terroristic threat, and the other 6 he's doing next Tuesday. So, Lord. Marshall. Okay. So when we looked at, it was something I was looking at, and it was like, oh, it's R related. Let me see it. Yeah, it's someone called Tanita Rowe is the first complainant on the 23rd on this terroristic threat. Okay. So we got Tanita Rowe. So we have Tanita Rowe on one of the terroristic threats. Then we got a Christopher Perkins on the criminal mischief. And then we got assault of a family member on Tania Davis. But it was weird. It was something yesterday, though, that said it was somebody named Shahira, somebody. You know? So I'm just, oh Lord. Y'all can go there and see it yourself. I'm Oh Lord. Okay. This is just a screenshot. If you go to you go to the other website, I think I have it in here still. This one right here, there's 2 different websites, but they're connected. The Harris County Sheriff's Office, you can look up their jail information, see if they're in jail. And then if you go to this website, which I have on the link here, and I'll put it again, you can search for yourself. You'll have to register the website to see everything, but it's free. This is the thing, and this is probably a question I'm going to have to ask Empowered Escort TV, because in these cases, these are all misdemeanors, and I believe the terroristic threat is up to a year. I got to look up the criminal mischief, and I just read the assault with a family member. So that could be up to a year unless they move it up to aggravated assault. Then he got more years. And if, let's say, he got convicted on all of them, and the state of Texas gave him a year, they could give him this consecutively. So that means he's gonna be in there for 3 years. Consecutively means back to back. Concurrently means at the same time. Concurrently means he would just be in there 1 year. But they could say, hey, this is consecutive, this is back to back. But hey, I'm a teacher. I'll show you how to get to the website, because that's what I do. I inform. I'm giving you my commentary. This is not my legal advice. So that's a question. Diggable logic If you come with me at 6 p.m. Eastern today over to Empowered Esquire TV, can one of the minds, go grab that link and put it in the chat? Because that would be a great question to ask her. Because I'm just like, sir, either way, he needs to lay down for a while. And like Max said, gun charges may be coming. Every time Max says it happens. Max, are you psychic? Are you a prophet? But Max is really good at court cases. Max, you still there? Or no? But Marshall, Johnny, maybe it's French. Dang it. Just why, sir? Just keep your hands to yourself. I mean, this is the thing. At this point, I feel like all the stuff you got taught as a little kid, if he had done it, he wouldn't be in the trouble he's in. What do your parents tell you? Say please and thank you. Be respectful. Keep your hands and feet to yourself. I think, you know what? Yes, because the video you showed last time, I got to go check out Max V. By the way, if you are a content creator, please put, and you are my mod, please put your link to your chat in the description, please, so we can visit each other's pages. Yeah, because in the video, when the cops finally did show up, she's showing them the bullet hole. We see it. Yeah, because last night, Diggable Logic, on my video, the one that's 10 minutes from last night, I show on one of the pages where they mention his prior record from New York. So you know the state of Texas is looking at. And then it says in one of the documents from last night that he got booked and he already had 2 other charges. So yesterday he had 3 charges. Monday he had 1, and today he got 7. 7. And if he gets this gun charge, and then what if they decide, oh, your kids was in the house when you shut it up? Okay, child endangerment. You're welcome. This is Max V World Media. Check him out. Here's Mrs. VSNC09. Please check her out. And this is the thing. Death Stare. Over a week ago, maybe even 2 weeks ago, because I follow Golden Beauty, I follow Camille. And once in a while I go check AT&T Banking or Instagram. Camille and Golden Beauty did a lot together where they basically talked about the incident and when he hit Camille. Okay. Then I think 2 weeks after that, I think that was a month ago. Then 2 weeks after that, Golden Beauty was asking people like, hey, do y'all have the video of young Pharaoh? I think he was saying something about hitting her. Because you remember he did that video about how, oh yeah, I hit Golden Beauty. This is twice. We got proof online of you hitting someone. She was asking for the videos so she can take it to court. So if they wasn't looking at him before, when she was able to give that district attorney or do her police report, they got it then. They got it then. And he probably got his channel shut down because of people who didn't like him. Especially when he started talking about that MAGA stuff. Yeah, probably so. Because this is the thing with the government, they have to build a case, and it's one that's winnable. You also have to have people, witnesses, or complainants who are willing to file charges. Sometimes justice of the law ain't always quick. I know, right? How, y'all keep y'all money. He just needs to stay in there. He stay in there. And if it's new woman, like I said, if she's a stripper, or a prostitute, she gonna need to go out there and work and help him get that bail money. Get them a lawyer. He thinking of how he can get the hell out of there. He thinking of how he gonna get out of there. But yeah, another scam. Cause he wants to get out of there. Narcissists don't like to be quote unquote caught in the net. And right now, he is made to sit, lay down where the hell he is. And she's, his woman, whatever, is calling him, probably trying to reassure him and stuff. He probably telling her to do this and that. You in jail though, boo. They got you on YouTube, Instagram, saying all this stuff. Oh Lord, I just thought about something. You don't think they'll call me for a witness, huh? You don't think so, right? Nah, I don't think so. Lord, if I do, I gotta y'all don't see me on the internet one day. I'll be like, going to court, talk to y'all later. So they gotta find some witnesses, somebody in person, to say, "Hey, did you see him on the internet saying this?" And I live in the county. I live in the county and the city. Oh Lord, y'all just. Whew. Marshall. You should have laid down over there talking about you. And please don't go in there and tell them folks you got abducted by aliens. You really will be going to ACPC. ACPC is Harris County Psychiatric Center. You really will be locked up. And her name is Judge Erica Hughes. Most of the judges, the last two elections, 19 African American women got elected as judges. Don't go in there and think you finna talk to her any kind of way. Matter of fact, let me look up Judge Hughes. Judge Erica Hughes. Judge Erica Hughes. Harris County. We gonna look. Yeah, we gonna look. That's right. You gonna be going down there. Yeah, Marshall. Thank you. You did it to yourself. Whew. Let me see. Where is it? Oh, here it is. This is the building, y'all. All right. So this is the building, Harris County. This is their new building. I think their old building was right over here. So, okay. Okay, so it's based on OCA guided in-person court proceedings are limited beginning January 11, 2021. Parties are encouraged to contact their assigned courts for further instructions. Okay. So, this is Judge Erica Hughes, Harris County Criminal Court Law number 3, 1201 Franklin A floor. Okay. You got the Mona Lewis, the court coordinator, the clerk, the bailiff. Oh, it's all girl. Oh, look at this. Black girl magic. Marsha, you in trouble. I'm sorry. I said, man, but look at this. I'm gonna make it bigger. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna make it bigger for y'all. Y'all look at this. I'm sorry. I'm not laughing at him being in jail, okay? But I'm just laughing at this. He is gonna freak out. Oh damn, it's doing Zoom. Shoot. Oh dang, we couldn't. Man, I need to find out what the Zoom link is. I'm gonna call up there. I got time today. Who should I call? The court clerk or the court coordinator and ask, like, is there a Zoom link? Oh wait, court stream live stream link. Is there a court live stream link? Let's see. Ooh, if we can watch. Oh Lord. Oh my goodness. If we can watch this shit. I'm sorry. Damn. Shit. Fudge. Y'all, we missed it. Oh damn. We could have been up in there. Oh Lord. Damn it. Yeah, see? Whew. What class do I got? Oh man, we had a good ass opportunity this morning. What's their court appearance? Okay. I'm a email and see if I can get a copy of that Zoom. You're like, I missed the Zoom this morning, ma'am. Where can I view it? Because you know you can record. It said off the air. Damn it. And girl, I was off this morning. What? But now we know. What's Monday morning? Was it Tuesday? 9 a.m.? Okay. All right. We know now, right? We know now. Whew. Where's she going? She going out of court again today? Probably not, but still. Okay. All right. See, we learning some stuff. We knowing. We got it. Okay, this is what I wanted y'all to see. I want y'all to see this good. I'm just gonna say, I don't know. These sound like black girl name, but then I'm just saying, like, look at this girl power right here. He gonna go to court. He was in court this morning, and all he saw was women. Remember, he was going off about black women. This is defendants and attorneys are to appear in court via Zoom. Okay, at 9 a.m. Oh, so he wasn't even there. The only time the defendant will physically appear in court is if he or she is set for an arraignment, will enter a plea, has bond violations, was specifically advised to do so by the judge, or is scheduled for trial. But still, I want to know what they said. So, but oh my goodness. I'm sorry, y'all. See my sis. Oh shit, he been talking about black women for months. But wait, he gonna go to court. It ain't gonna be nothing but black women. Karma gonna come back to him in the form of a black woman. But guess what? The black woman is God, isn't she? Even if it's not all black women, it's the fact that, okay, the judge is Erica Hughes. The coordinator is Mona Lewis. Crystal King, the court clerk. Latanya Wilrick is the bailiff. The court reporter is Sharina, the assistant clerk. I don't know who that is. Corey Johnson, the process server. Now, that could be a man, but there are girls, there are women named Corey. And then the probation department is Leah Callan. You gonna get all the women. And you gonna be laughing that he's in jail, that he has to be in court. And that's the fact that everybody there gonna be a woman. And probably gonna be a black woman. Oh my damn, my body fell off. Oh my God. I'm sorry, no, I Let me stop. Hold on. Let me go. Hold on. Hey, y'all, I'm just trying to calm down. I'm just trying to calm down. But I got something I want to tell y'all. I watched this show called The Black Lady Sketch Show. I love it. It's hilarious. Think of In Living Color, SNL, but it's all black women. So I'm gonna show y'all. They have a episode they did a courtroom scene. They had two courtroom scenes. I'm sorry, y'all. Just I don't mean to cry. I really don't want him to be. I want him to get some help. He needs, and by the way, those his victims need justice. But it's just the thought of him going to court. And this is what he gonna see when he walk in, or when he gets in. Yes, yes, it is. It is. It is. It is. This is what he gonna see when he getting in the Zoom or he appear in court. This is what he gonna see, y'all. This is what he gonna see. He gonna see a black judge, a black court, a black bailiff, black defense attorney, black security, and a black corporate player. That's what he gonna say. That's what he gonna say. And every time he gonna try to talk, they just gonna look at him like, we didn't tell you can speak. That was great. Then, you know, in Texas, you can have a jury trial or the judge. So he probably think, nah, the judge don't like me. But what if when he went to, he got the jury? What if this happened to him? What if he got no black woman jury? Oh my god. He gonna go to court. He gonna look around and be like, oh damn. If you got Hulu or HBO, y'all go watch Black Ladies Castro. And you watch the episodes when they have the all black girl court. That's gonna be watching. He gonna be in here looking around and he can't say shit. Yes. I'm gonna go watch it now. I'm sorry. The black woman's God. And I'll be like, yeah, okay. Oh my goodness, he gonna be like that somehow. And then, but what kills me, what's really gonna get him, this is what's gonna get him in trouble, right? He gonna be trying to say the black woman is God, right? He gonna say the black woman is God. And then they gonna roll the tape. What he say? He got a problem with black women. And now the black women in the courtroom gonna be looking at him like this. Oh my god. Marsha, you in trouble. I bet you if he get a male defense attorney, he gonna look at the doc and be like, you in who you in who court? Judge Hughes. With all the women in there, man, you just need to plead guilty. I ain't going in there defeating you. No. It's close to Thanksgiving. No. You know the women in there in this courtroom this morning, she's like, they probably in there talking about what kind of dressing they gonna make, where they going for Thanksgiving. Yeah. She meant to give him my clothes to say shit. And it's their courtroom. I'm just saying nothing. They in there probably looking at each other and they're like, hey girl, yeah, we're gonna come in here, we're gonna be in and out. You know, we got that 9 o'clock. Yeah. Who's on the docket? Oh, you know this dude named Marshall. Oh, someone, what Marshall do? Was it like a hit and run? Was it, some weed? Nah, domestic violence. And they're gonna be all looking at each other like, domestic violence against who? His baby mama. What, girl? He did what? Oh yeah, he got 2 daughters too. One of my friends say he on YouTube. That's gonna be it. That's gonna be it. They gonna be looking at that shit like he gonna come into court. He's like gonna come into court and be like, that's it. They over there thinking about whose house, what they cooking, what they bringing to Thanksgiving, what they gonna do, and he gonna come in there with a terroristic threat, criminal mischief, and a son of a family member in an all-female court. Some women gonna be looking at him like, gonna be looking at him. Man, as soon as I bet you right now it's 10:10. They done. They in the back and say, "Did you see this little mother?" They all back there talking shit about him right now. All of them are talking shit about it right now. Somehow I'm over here. I need to go home and cook some greens. My mama told me to bring 2 pies. I gotta get my house ready for the relatives to come here. I need to see if I can get my nail fixed before I go to the holidays. I'm trying to get my hair done. I done got everything out my inbox, so I don't got nothing to do. And this little motherfucker that come in here call himself Young Pharaoh. And middle name Genie. Who the hell is name their son Genie? They talking shit about him right now. This is some funny shit. They are talking shit about him. One of them has pulled out their phone. They doing this right now. Do y'all see this? Look what he got on the Instagram. They probably got a group chat away from the they probably got a group chat and saying each other shit about him right now. And if he got a male attorney, the attorney telling him, dude, do not come in here and say no shit. And since he didn't have to be there today, I guess he didn't have to be there today because what type of hearing it was. The attorney probably told him like, look, dude, if you plead out, that's how much time you're gonna get. He probably like, nah, I want to go in there and I'm gonna tell the judge. He's like, nah, you don't want to do that. Ain't nothing but black women in there. Somebody ain't scared no black bitches. He got no, sir. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah, they worried about the deep fried turkey. One of them's husbands is out there. One of them's husbands is probably or son or whatever is back at the house cooking the deep fried turkey. Probably text us like, hey, can you bring some more seasoning or something? You know. They trying to think about sweet potato pie, potato salad recipes. And they done got this fucking case today. Oh man, dude, this is like, this ain't right. Yeah, they gonna roll this. They gonna roll this. I can't stand you black bitches. They're gonna look at him like, who you were talking about? You talk to your mother like that? That's why they gonna be looking at him like that. I don't know. He said he got it a court appointed, I think. They just gonna look at him like this. And they were like, and the judge gonna be like, roll the video again. And the women are probably gonna be looking at each other in the room like, what did he say? And the baby gonna like, black bitches. That's what I said, Judge. Black bitches. And then the court reporter gonna be like, then the judge gonna ask the court reporter, read that back. Black bitches. You ain't black bitches. Okay. And the prosecutor gonna look at her, and then the prosecutor gonna look at the judge, and the judge gonna look at the prosecutor. And then probably the coordinators over there looking through the stack, talking about they all gonna be looking at each other like, did y'all hear this shit? Oh my goodness. He better not go in there and say shit. He gonna get a psychic valve. A physical. The baker, oh Lord. His bail about to be increased. He gonna need way more than $100. So we want the full amount. He a banker. We don't want 10%. We want the full amount. He gonna be in there. Trying to figure out, explain what happened. He gonna try to come out with, look, y'all, my baby mama, she give me problems. And then and they go like, well, my other one and this one, and then just be like, your baby mamas, you got 2. And when they find out he got 2 daughters, that's gonna be it. All them women in there gonna be thinking all kind of ways to get his ass. Some paperwork finna be lost. It's about time for him to get out. It's gonna be midnight before he leaves, if he do get out. You know they got some friends that are corrections officers somewhere in there. They all gonna be looking at him crazy. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, he go. I'm sorry. It's just the thought that you talked all this shit about Black women. You abused the Black women in your life, verbally, physically, financially, and your ass is gonna be in a courtroom. Let me show y'all. This is why I'm laughing for people who come in here. Oh. This is where his trial is going to be with Judge Erica Hughes. Most likely a Black woman, because 19 Black women, beautiful Black women, were elected to judge different judgeships here in the county. And I'm looking at her staff directory. It's Mona, Crystal, Latanya, Sharina, Corey, and Leah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He's gone. Sorry, you're gonna be in a whole courtroom with Black women looking at you crazy. Oh Lord. Oh. Sorry, you should have just go lay down. Just go in there and say, Judge, I'm wrong. I need to go lay down. I'll take whatever y'all tell me to do. I'm just gonna go lay down. I just want to see the face when he go in the courtroom and they show him. He go in there or the Zoom, because it's probably gonna be on Zoom. These women he's gonna be he looking at. And then he say, okay, I'm not gonna have a judge trial. I'm gonna have a jury trial. No, Black women. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh Lord, forgive me for his name in vain. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He's gonna get it. He's gonna get it. He's gonna get it. Can y'all imagine his face when he go in the courtroom and it's like he on the Zoom, right? And he like eat before the judge. And they're like, here's Judge Erica Hughes. I'm gonna make a picture of his face about it. And he gonna be looking like, because they're gonna be Black women. He go frame. Oh, but what he gonna do? But you said they was God, but now when they don't like you or when they doing their job, you done call them Black bitches. Well, guess what? God finna hand out some justice to you. Yep. a black woman. Everybody in her courtroom, her staff is black. It's probably a woman, right? The man said on live social media that the black bitches, he gonna go to the courtroom and they gonna be looking at. I'm telling you, those women are over there. Probably came in and said, "Good morning, good morning. Your hair looks nice. Your shoes look cute. Oh, how the kids are. Did you get everything off your desk? What you gonna cook for Thanksgiving? You gonna do ham or you gonna do turkey? You gonna deep fry? What kind of potato salad? You gonna buy it? You gonna make it? You gonna bake your pies? You gonna buy a patty pie?" Oh, what happened to your fingernail? You gonna get it fixed? Well, you probably need to go there before a certain time. So, oh, your kids is coming. Oh, you gotta pick your kids up. Oh, they home. Oh, you throwing out your turkey. You gonna buy your greens. You gonna clean your greens. I think I'm gonna do glory greens this year in the can. Same time. They don't know the difference. And they're like, who's on the docket for the day, bailiff? What's her name? She was like, Judge Erica was gonna be like, Judge Erica gonna be like, Mona, how many people we got to see today? Is this one? Okay. Who the first one on the docket? Daniel who? Marsha Daniels? Okay. All right. And the clerk gonna hand her the file. Crystal, the court clerk, gonna hand her the file. And LaTonya gonna be by the door, about to let the people in. He come in, the court reporter, she getting her little machine ready, plugging it in, making sure the cards is right. Doing a test on the court reporter machine. Oh, Lord. Yeah. Here come in the prosecutor. And by the way, the district attorney of Harris County is a woman, Kim Ogg. She sent somebody down there for court. It might be a woman. It might not be. You send her down there to Judge Erica's office because they probably all know, oh, it's Judge Erica this morning? Okay, y'all know who y'all got to sit down there. And then, since Marshall got him a court-appointed attorney, they sent somebody like, oh, you going to who courtroom? Judge Eric. Okay, he said so. Hey, self-made Mike. Oh, Cornish hens. That sounds good. Yeah, he gonna learn today. You over there, all them women gonna be looking at you like, and then they gonna like, well, what's this case about? Sorry, but what's this case about? You stole something? What you here for? The court clerk said, oh, this is a terroristic threat, criminal mischief, and assault of a family member. I ain't say that. All the women gonna be looking at him like this. Which family member? They probably gonna be in a group chat doing the conversation going, you see what he got on. I'm supposed to be getting my list together to go last minute run to Kroger. I gotta deal with him. They are mad. They mad. You don't make these women mad. They gonna go home and take it out of their family. Shame on you, Marshall. Shame on you. Them kids at home gonna be like, why she mad at me? I ain't do nothing. They're gonna be in there. You better not be doing no criminal mischief to their kids. Are you making terroristic threats? Or you Marshall Daniels and assault me? You better go sit your ass down. They gonna be talking to everybody crazy. Cause of them. They gonna be in a group text at home. They gonna be touches on the food, getting their clothes ready, telling their kids to clean the house, and they're gonna be chasing each other. Like, that case this morning really is. I actually can't stand that man. He make me mad. And their husbands and their sons and their brothers and cousins gonna be looking at them like, why she mad at me? Oh, because you, Marsha. God damn it. You done fucked up that Thanksgiving. Because of you. Because you out here. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, y'all. I've been cracking up for like 10, 15 minutes. But he ain't right. He done ruined so many Thanksgivings. All the men that are with those women, it's Marsha Daniels, young Pharaoh. That's who you blame. That's who you blame. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna get up here because I can still laugh about it. I'm gonna put links to those websites in the description. Look what you did, Marsha. You done messed up some man Thanksgiving. Hey, self-made Mikey. Y'all need to. He done messed up some Thanksgiving. The women gonna be mad at all the men in their life today and tomorrow. You better hope, well, maybe not tomorrow, but today, all because of you. Oh, girl. Oh, boy. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go watch Black Lady Sketch Show right now. HBO or Hulu. Y'all need to check it out. I love y'all for being on here with me for a little bit over 2 hours on a Wednesday morning. I'm sorry, y'all are probably thinking, I can't believe she laughed because he's in jail. No, y'all need to go back like 30 minutes, 30, 40 minutes. That's the reason why. Because all I can think about is his face when those women, you see all the women going. He been talking about black women so bad for weeks. And y'all gonna be in the justice system against his ass. You gotta be like, yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Judge. He gonna call her Erica, right? And she said, my name is Judge Hughes in this classroom. Okay, y'all. I love y'all. Please share this out. If there are content creators that want to use my video, you have permission. Make sure you use the commentary part, disclaimer, stop, start. Send some people to my channel. Tell them to like, share, subscribe. We all family. Oh, with the exception of the people who stalking me. Y'all can't use nothing. Nothing. Mm-hmm. Oh, by the way, shout out to D. Darrell. Even though I don't always agree with him, but we going along. Thanks for defending me last night. When those people from the Black church gospel sector came over. Thanks to everyone in the chat. Y'all had some very good questions. I had to leave. My lawyer, my friends were like, hey, don't engage them anymore. They had to remind me, hey, screenshot, download the video, give it to the lawyer. So I'm going to add that to the list and send it over to my lawyer today. She told me yesterday that she was going to be in the office today. So great. He going to change his name to Young Humble. He going to be baby Pharaoh. What is done? No, Pharaoh. And then he gonna lick his tongue out too. And the judge be like, You trying to get a sexual harassment charge? He need to stop. He need to stop. Okay. All right, yeah. I may come on later. I have a just to replay a live that I had before about how to deal with narcissists for the holidays, because our families and our friends can be very triggering. Oh, that is so sweet. I'm gonna buy some balloons and fly mother because tomorrow is her birthday. Like I said, she's not here right now. All right, praying for you, Mikey. Happy birthday to your mom in heaven. I totally understand about having not having your parent for your holidays. This is my 20th Thanksgiving without my mom. And you would think every year would get easier. It doesn't always get easier. It gets more manageable. So, and my mom was a really big, like, let's celebrate the holidays, let's get everything ready, do everything. And now I just don't have that energy like I did in the past when she was alive. So I definitely understand that. I'll keep you in prayer. So, all right, yeah, I'm gonna go watch Black Ladies Get Shot. Should I do a skit? I'm gonna see if I can get a copy of that Zoom from this morning. Let me go email them. I'll talk to y'all later. All right, thank y'all. Bye. Marsha.